Alright everybody, so today we're going to make a Minecraft dresser for my son. We're going to be trying something a little bit different this time because all the different designs and stuff, it's going to be difficult to paint. We're going to try some decoupage. My son, tell you what he wants it to look like.
Do you want like a Minecraft theme?
I can make it like Minecraft.
We can put like Minecraft stuff all over all of this.
No, I know what this is. I know. I'm gonna change all of this.
Oh, okay, good. All right.
Okay, so this
Fantastic.
is gonna be this is gonna be gray for stone.
Okay. We want it to look like cobblestone.
Yeah, like cracks on it and stuff like that. So
Wrapping
it's
paper.
gonna be light gray and dark gray. This is gonna be blue and stone. Blue and stone for diamond ore. This is gonna be lime green.
So you want them to be different stone colors or different materials?
Some of the drawer rails are broken, so we're going to go ahead and fix those up so the drawers slide in and out smoothly. So here's some of the test decoupage with also some sealer over it. So it looks like it's going to work pretty good. So now what we're going to do is go through and we printed off some different Minecraft material from our printer, and then we're going to decoupage that onto the faces of the drawers. And we got some tablecloth with different patterns for the top. We're going to do grass on the top and then a stone wrapped around the sides. here it is, all done. I think it turned out pretty good. Some of the tight corners were tough to get with the tablecloths. They were a little stretchy, so they didn't really want to conform to the turns. But for purposes of him using it, he's gonna love it, and should work out pretty well. And definitely Minecraft themed.